Hello everyone, welcome to another video of SQL question. This is question number 176 from LeetCode website. This is a very common question in so many interviews. Let's look at the question. In this problem, we have to write a SQL to find out the second highest salary in the employee table. Another clause, if there is no second highest salary, then the query should report null. And I think there are like multiple ways to solve this problem. Let's try the first approach and then we might try another approach to solve this. So in my first approach, I'm going to use the max function, and while using the max function, I am going to filter out the highest salary so that I can get the second highest salary. All right, let me write the code for that. So I'll call this approach number 1. So I'm going to do the select query on the employee table, and while doing it I have to get the max of salary from this table. So now I have to use this table as a subquery for another table which is same as the employee table, where, and while looking up in the inner query I have to make sure that the rest of the record in the employee table does not have that max salary from the inner table. So how I can do that? I am going to use the salary column, not in this inner query, and whatever record I'm left with in the outer table, I'm going to do the max on those record for salary column. I feel this is correct, and let's try it if this query is running or not. Okay, so I'm getting the correct result. It's just that my column name is not same as what is shown in the output here. So I'm going to give an alias for my column and try again. Okay, so this is wrong. Now let's run it again. Alright, so this is accepted for both the case, and now let's submit this solution so that it checks against other cases as well. Okay, so this solution is accepted. Let's go back to the description and we can try another approach, and I will call that other approach a little bit more complicated. This is approach number 2. So in this approach I'm going to use the window function, and I am going to derive the rank using the salary, and then I'll pull up the salary which has the rank equal to 2. Okay, let's write that query, and since we have to run the second query, I'm going to comment this one. Okay, so let's find out the rank. Select star from employee table, and what do I need here? I need the salary column, and then I'm using the dense rank function. I'm using dense rank function because I want my rank to be in the consecutive order. If I use the rank function, it's gonna leave the gap between the rank. So yeah, that's the reason. So I'm using dense rank function, and I'll do the order by salary in descending order, and I'll call this column as rank salary. Okay, so this query should give me the rank for each of the salary. Now what I have to do is I am going to write another outer query which will pick up the records from the inner query where my rank salary is equal to 2. Okay, and I will use this column only from the inner query and name it as second highest salary. Alright, let's see if this query is running or not. Okay, so it ran successfully for the case 1. It's failing for case 2 where we have only one record, and that means like there is no second highest salary. So in this event what we have to do is, like, if we are not able to find the second highest salary, we have to give null as output. So this function coalesce we can use from Oracle to set the value as null if there is no second highest salary. Let's use that function. Okay, so this is the correct spelling of that function. Select coalesce from, I'm using the whole inner query as one argument, and I'll put this between the bracket, and then I'm replacing, if there is no value then I'll use null, and I'll just use the dummy table from Oracle so that it completes my select statement. Okay, and once we are deriving this column again, I think we have to rename it as second highest salary, otherwise it will fail. So I have derived it as a second highest salary. Let's run it and see if it is passing for the case 2 as well. Okay, so it's working for both the case. Let's submit it. Alright, so I think it's failing on another case, and this is the input for that case. Let me look into the result. Alright, so we have 3 record, and 2 of the record they have the same salary. Alright, okay, so if there's 2 record for the same salary, then my inner query will return 2 record. Okay, I think we can fix it. We just have to use the distinct function so that I get only one salary even if there's 2 record with the same salary. This should work. Let's try. Okay, so it's running for both the cases. Let's submit the solution. Okay, so it has accepted the solution. Nice, it's working. Let's go back to the description tab. Alright, so with this I'll recap like what we covered in the video. We used max function to get the max of salary. Then we also used the order by in the second approach to order my salary so that I can get the correct rank for each of the salary. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the video, and also please leave a comment or any question if you have. Lastly, thanks a lot for watching my content. Goodbye for now.